Hello my stars, welcome to a very brand new vlog. My name is unsuccessful, and if you see this space for the very first time, please hit that subscribe button to my returning One Love gang. Thank you so much for choosing me. Thank you so much for staying, for being patient with this girl. I know our page is slowly but surely growing, because why not to believe in life of abundance in this One Love gang. Welcome everyone to our One Love gang. Please engage with me on my socials. Check my description box so that you can know which channel you can use to follow me, to subscribe, to join, you know. Welcome. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay, it's a very brand new vlog. I'm at work. It's tea time. I'm almost done with my filings and capturing. So yeah, I was like, let me open up a vlog. Why should I wait until I get home? This is also the space where I spend most of my time here. So let me open up the vlog. So yes, welcome. Yo, we are on 102 subscribers from being go 70. This June we really worked hard. Thank you so much, all my new service. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much. To reach that 102, it's a lot. Ask me, it's a lot. In few months to come, we'll be turning 1 year. So YouTube, but we haven't reached even 500. I don't want to be discouraged, because one thing I've noticed is that on YouTube the growth it's coming kancane, yathonda. Yes, yathonda. Kancane. Let's leave it there. All I want you to know is that we are working very hard to be consistently, at least once in a month I will upload a vlog. Yes, once in a month I will upload a vlog, because now I've uploaded another vlog. Please go there, watch, like, comment and subscribe. Share with your family, your friends and everyone. Tell them to join this One Love gang, please. I back. Yes, we are working very hard. So stay with me, be patient. The girl is growing. It's not easy, but we are pushing. Why not? Yes. Thank you so much, my stars. I wanna go and make tea because it's tea time and eat. I've ordered white bread, bologna and cheese. So yeah, I'm gonna go a little sandwich and eat. I hope we will talk. I don't know when, because this is a July vlog. Let's push and see what we can put together so that we can take out something nice, a grand for our One Love this July. I don't want to yap too much, because bye. Have a great day. Here is my sandwich and my black coffee. Yes, very black coffee with a half teaspoon of sugar. Then this is my sandwich. It's a grated cheese and bologna. Yes, let me eat. Bye. Good morning to another day of the vlog. Hello my stars, welcome back. We are still in this vlog. It's Saturday morning after long and many days without talking to you. I know if there's nothing to talk about, we just keep the day rolling. So yeah, yesterday I went to do my errands. I went to do my errands. Then I'm sorry about my background. I'm just missing the light. I went to do my errands. I'm not done. I'm not even sure if today I will go back to the mall or again journey. I'm just happy that my delivery are with them. Big purchase. Yes. Yes, my stars. So yeah, I think I'll be doing a room resetting. I won't say renovation, room resetting here and there. I bought some few stuff for my room. So unfortunately, I have to wait until they deliver it. Okay, I will show you. And another thing, I bought a washing machine for my mom. Yes, I'm so happy, and she's not home. I don't know. She's always complaining that because one thing about us, we are hardly doing laundry by ourselves. So my mom, ilabo mama wathi washini yenzo kanye or in the week, wash umuntu oyi-one. So she's still doing our laundry. We are lucky enough. Blessed actually. So yeah, let me show you. This is a new bed, and this is a machine. Then yes, some things are not here yet. So yeah, bye. That's my outfit of the day. Okay. That's my outfit of the day. I'm going to bed. We are running errands again. Going back to the mall to get the stuff that I didn't get yesterday with my sissy. Bye. Hey, my stars. I'm done. We're about to go now. So I was just brushing my hair. Yes, this is the scent of the day. The pink Yara. Okay. I'm done. Yes. Then outfit of the day. I'm wearing this jersey and the tracksuit from Mr. Price. That's it. And my Air Force. I hope you saw that. And my Air Force. I don't know if you can see me or what. Because yeah. I got this jersey when I was still pregnant with my son. I think I will be using my shade as on suit him. I don't know, let me see. Because why not? Outside, queer shades, we're bright. Okay. When I'm coming back from the mall, I think we're having few stuff to show you. I'm having few stuff that I need to. I don't know what's gonna be. Yeah. I'm having few stuff that bang delivery is all again late. When I'm back from the mall, I need to show you. Yeah, I'm just planning to remember those things. Okay. So let's also go in days is one. Now there's some campings was told mall today. Also the yesterday delivery. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe my mind is not here. That's one thing about me. I'm not here now. Let me wrap it here. Okay, we will talk. I don't know when, but today is a song. Okay, some sobabon mall. I'm going like this. I'm not gonna make up or something. I'm good like this. The grand dingy. Let me put on my tea and my sneakers. Bye. Mwah.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside.
Hey my darlings, again we are still in the mall. We are about to go and buy some food. Sijike emnyango wase KFC into ukugqole yona. Hi boy, end of thing I saw. Hi. And we also got some pies. So I don't wanna eat the pie because you lose appetite and kill with the papa. So think you plate man. Yeah. And I'm also thirsty. We're also eating some sweets. Oh, one more thing. My sister bought me this. How stunning. I can't wait. I wanna buy a drink and pour it here. Oh, it's so nice. At Pep, it's $29.99. It's so nice, stunning. Yeah, let's go for now. Sengilambe angifuni nje kumosha appetite yami, ngifuna lela papa nale bright beef engane. Bye, we are done la emall. Oh, kugcwele. Sharp. Tada. Yo, my stars, what a disappointment. What a day. Hey, lo abona ukuthela imoto yakharaf. Guys, eKFC njengoba ngithe kugcwele awuthengeki. Sibuya la bengicela ukushuta khona. Ngithi siyothenga khona iplate ingasenani. Buzani mina. Bathi ukudla kuphelile. Kachani. Ukudla kuphelile. Basapheka. Usikhuluma so ngicina ukudla nge-oats mina ekuseni stars. That time eating with oats ngicina ukudla lapho. Bathi ukudla kuphelile basapheka. Bathe hawuni uqeda masinyana. Bathi hayi lisabe kukhani kusabe kwamanzi. Lisazobila lisazoyophehlwa. Imagine. We are going back. Mara hlangene namuhla unesikhuhluzo. No ulaka lendlala. Sibuyela emuva buka. La siyakhona nakunendawo enye abathengisa amabheka and makota ama-rapster and stuff. So siya lapho siyo-check-a ukuthi nakhona siyothola i-disappointment na, you know. Awona sikaze sidle khona sifuna ukucakeka. So kwamaye ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi nala siyakhona siyolinda. Ngifuna ukudla lebheka yami. Guys, nesiphuzo angasitholi. Iglass lami lisese-empty. Look at this. Iglass lami lisese-empty. So yo, I'm so disappointed. But anyway, I think ngize ngathola i-chance ukuthi ngiyodla ukudla kwale ka-Jack. Nendawo isport esisha sivuliwe la. So yeah, I will show you our food if it's managed ukuthola. We will talk again. I'm so hungry. Akunawo namandla. This is the food. Yeah. Okay. Class refilled. How stunning. When you show this. Let's throw the put some manager and so sweet. Ems in moon. And I didn't make
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free.
Good morning, my stars. Hello. It's another day of the vlog. I've just wake up now. So I'm like, in the previous clip I said we are going to reset the room. We are not renovating, obvious. I wanted to reset my room, but due to that I don't want this vlog to be longer than a certain minute, I think I will do the resetting of everything in the following vlog for today, because I think we'll be having a long minutes when I show you things that I got yesterday and the day before yesterday. So now, since I just woke up now, I want to do my bed, then try to show you everything that I got yesterday and the day before yesterday. So yeah, in the following vlog, we will be doing the resetting. We won't be doing it in this vlog. That's what I wanted to clear up before moving on, because if you had me say that in the previous clip, you will be waiting to see me resetting the room, you know. So yeah, angifuni kube nento uthe musu uzoya ePitori, hawu ivlog ize yaphela zankayi, uthe uyenza umbhede ize yaphela ivlog azange wenze, if ngathi we are just promising your community what you can provide. So yeah, that's why I'm here trying to explain that. Good morning, happy Sunday. Today it's Sunday. I also want to go to church. So yeah, when I want to eat, I'm so hungry as if I didn't eat. Yes, I eat a lot, I know. And I also want to drink coffee. So you see, if I take you along in those piece things that I'm doing, the vlog will be too long, and I don't want you to watch the vlog. You know, I want to keep it short and nice, short and sweet. Okay, my stars, let me fix my bed.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the
Sisters, hello again. I'm done bathing. I haven't eaten my noodles yet, so I was trying to set the camera to see if I make a clear and you can see me clear. I'm trying to get the best side of the light. That's why most of the time I'm using this space, because there is a window, natural lighting. Because if you seven is that one, that means kuzoba brighter side in. I hope you can see me. Let me check before we start unboxing what we got. We are good to go. Let's start. I wanted to name it, but no. Let me start here. This thing's good in my heart. This pillows. These are standard pillows inner. So I got 4 here. It's 1, 2, 3, and 4. They are 4. So let me put them down, because I want to. Yes, son. Yeah. Yes, baby. Okay, Steph, I'm coming. Let's finish up and look at me. Then also here we got this escada cushion. There are 2. 1 and 2. Then we are having the diffuser, 2 diffusers. Calpol, Rub, Vicks, that's my son as well, Compral, I'm having this dress. I bought this dress. It's a long sleeve dress. Cotton pads, hairspray, Witty and Wisdom toothpaste. What's this now? Wisdom toothbrush, a soap dish, a winter fitted sheet. I'm a standard pillowcase for winter. It's a set. I hope you can see. Yes. And we got a summer fitted sheet. It's a set again. This one is for Wifey's room. A duvet cover set. A tape curtain. It would 230 centimeter. Then also a curtain again, but this one is for a single window, a 140 centimeter. And chocolate. Okay, this I have to. Having the pajama set for Wavy from Pep. All of the stuff are from Pep. The pajama set. Hebrew, a long sleeve. It's for my daughter. I got her a jersey from Pep. I got her this bag. And also school shoes. Before school shoes. This makeup headband for myself. A fleece blanket, a black one, and a fleece blanket again. Then we got a duvet set cover again. And I got myself this jersey to go to work. I'm using this one for work. I don't have anything to wear my name 7 so I bought this in purpose. It's either this one or the other one I got at, what is this? Recommends. So I'll take the one. Then I got this set, a kitchen set, kitchenware set. Let's open it. I'm so hungry. On the set, there is a chopping board. There is a chopping board. This first column, these are knives. These are knives. It's a knife. And these are spoons. A silicone spoons, this ones. Then we got this bright bean set. A bright bean set. How stunning! Inside of this, you see, we are having this set inside. It's coffee, tea, and sugar as usual. How stunning! Yep. I love this set. I love it. I love it. One day, I'm planning to buy myself a snack set of a toaster and a kettle. So, izongisiza. Ngibona ngathi kuyahambelana ilo mhlobo lowo. Ayabhekene izoba
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Hands collide like waves on the shore. Every touch leaves me craving more. Eyes meet, worlds' colors collide with you. Love's where I reside. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Even in dark skies, your light remains through every storm. You ease my pain, a rhythm of hearts. No need to pretend, this love story will never end. Whisper your name in the rush of the breeze. Love like an ocean rippling with ease. Heartbeats sink into this melody. You and I forever, wild and free. Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow.
Thank you so much for staying. I'm about to go to church now. I am running so late. I'm going to church. Yeah, let me eat fast. Then seba how far. I have to be fast as I can now because it's church time. I'm so late. It's a first 11 now and it's 11 or it's to 12. Tell me. And I wanted to do this before I go to church. Just sorry, the phone is moving. Just in case if kuba khona uvilapha after church, izinto eziningi and stuff. Kube mina nani sisicedile indaba yethu yama-errands reviews ukuthi bengiyenzani zolo all this time mangiye emall. So for now, I don't know if we will talk again. This is one. Bye. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share, and tell others about this new hand, your new babe, so that we can welcome them warmly in our One Love gang. Okay. Happy Sunday.
Your smile lit up like a sunrise glow. Touch so soft where the seasons flow. We met where the stars take their flight. Every moment with you feels just right. Whisper your name in the
extension. Essential. Don't you have salary? Clothing.
Hey my stars, it's later the day. I think I've wrapped up everything I wanted to share with you in this vlog. We'll see each other in the coming vlog. For now, I'm here to close up the vlog. Thank you so much for staying, for choosing me. Continue to like, comment, and subscribe. For those who just haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and invite others to join our One Love gang. From me to you, it's a good night, and we are signing out. Mwah. See you on the next vlog. Bye.